So you filed your taxes and now you realize you made a mistake. Maybe you forgot to include some income. Maybe you missed a deduction. Maybe you just realized you entered the wrong number somewhere and now you're in full-on panic mode. Take a deep breath, it's fixable. And guess what? The IRS actually expects people to make mistakes sometimes. They even have a process for it. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to correct a tax return if you made a mistake, so you can fix the error the right way and avoid any unnecessary stress or penalties. But before we dive in, this video is brought to you by my 15 business tax category breakdowns guide, your free guide to mastering business tax categories and simplifying your finances as a photographer. If you've ever wondered what expenses you can write off and how to categorize them properly, this guide is for you. Grab it for free at the link below. All right, let's fix that tax mistake. First things first, not every mistake requires an amendment. The IRS automatically corrects small math errors. So if you just miscalculated something minor, you probably don't need to do anything. But here's when you do need to file a correction. You forgot to report income, like a 1099 you didn't include. You missed a deduction that could lower your tax bill. You claimed something incorrectly, like a deduction you weren't actually eligible for. Or your filing status was wrong, like filing single when you should have filed married. If any of those sound like your situation, you'll need to file an amended return. So how do you actually fix it? The IRS has a form for that. It's called Form 1040-X. Here's what to do. Step 1, gather your original tax return. You'll need it to see what you originally filed. Step 2, fill out Form 1040-X. This is where you'll list the corrected numbers and explain what changed. Step 3, attach any necessary documents. If you're adding income, include the missing 1099. If you're claiming a new deduction, include proof of that expense. And step 4, file it. You can now e-file amended returns for most years, or you can mail it in. And heads up, if your correction results in a refund, don't expect to see that money right away. The IRS takes about 16 weeks to process amended returns, so be patient. Now, let's talk about how to make sure this doesn't happen again next year. Here's what I recommend. Track your income and expenses year-round. If everything is organized, you're way less likely to forget something. Double check your numbers before filing. A quick review can save you a headache later. Use a tool like my free guide, 15 business tax category breakdowns, to make sure you're tracking deductions correctly. This will help you avoid missing out on tax savings and make tax prep so much easier. Grab it at the link below. So here's a quick recap. Not every mistake requires a correction, but if you forgot income, missed a deduction, or made a filing status error, you'll need to file an amended return. Use IRS Form 1040-X to make corrections and attach any supporting documents. Avoid future mistakes by keeping your finances organized and tracking deductions correctly. And if you want to make tax season so much easier next year, be sure to grab my free guide, 15 business tax category breakdowns. It'll help you track your expenses properly so you don't miss deductions or overpay the IRS. The link is below. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you've ever had to amend a tax return. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.